Now if you've ever had an inkling for tadpoles, I think that's what these are, unless they're just little fish. I can't tell for sure. Those look like eels, some kind of eel. And here's little different kind of eel. And here's bigger fish here. And these are little birds. I don't know what we do. Here's a little eel that got away. And these are little birds in here. What exactly you do with those, having a sensitivity towards birds, I hesitate to consider. Hopefully they're for pets. And some very ornate type of window coverings, and then a big Jedi in the back we'll go take a look at now. These are very ornate, although unpainted cement. It'd be interesting to see them make this. I suspect they do it by hand, except in the United States we do it all and make one and do the rest in fiberglass. Then on the lower corners we have this, I don't know, the haunch looks like it might be a lion, and then the elephant head, maybe a horse torso or a man torso. This is the kind of shaker I need. It has just one hole in the top, and it says S and B. Here are a couple more of these flowering cactus type plants. And then this one with the pretty pink flowers, almost looking like a carnation, but it's actually several flowers within the cluster. Again, these scales look like they're ceramics. Looks like they probably make a large square and cut it in quarters. Here the holy tree has a very interesting and developed base, if you will, with little kiosks for each of the Buddha positions that they're using. And in the background you can hear the monks in their nightly prayers. The compound is rather serene and tranquil this evening. It's rather cool and pleasant here in Chiang Rai, particularly in this evening. Unless you go into a 7-Eleven where they've got their killer air conditioner on, and then when you come out you think it's really hot. And inside this Jedi is a reclining Buddha